Welcome, in front of me is EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from one location to another. So, as an example, from your phone to an SD card. Now to get started, you want to open up your file application. So for me it's right over here. Once you open it up, scroll down and you should see your two storages at the bottom, assuming you do have a SD card inserted. So I'm going to start with the internal storage, which is the storage of the phone itself. And in here you will find, well, a bunch of folders, as you can see. But in all honesty, only a couple of them are important. So for instance, DCIM folder is important. It contains pictures and videos captured with the device. Then downloads folder below that, which contains obviously anything that you have downloaded using the device. And if we scroll down, we also have a pictures folder, which contains screenshots. So I'm going to start off by going into the DCIM and finding that there's nothing in here. So let's see if there's something in the pictures. Nope. Looks like almost all of them are empty, which... There we go. So I guess I can transfer one of these things. Okay. So once you find your file that you wish to transfer, you want to select it. And as you can see, I went to Android, there we go. So once you find it, select it by simply holding it. So you can either hold the entire folder, as you can see this is the folder icon, which will mean that there is something inside as well. And it looks like there's nothing in here, top notch. But anyway, if there is something in there, it will basically get selected, whatever is in that folder. Or you can basically also select a file itself. So you do it whatever you want to select, a folder, directory, a file, it works the same way. As you can see, you simply just hold it and it gets checked on the side, and then if you want to select additional things, you simply tap on this and it will get checked as well. And from there, all you need to do is tap on the three dots and choose if you want to either move it or copy it. By moving it, you will completely remove those files from where they are right now, while copy will create additional set of them. So I'm gonna go with copy this time around. And once you select one of the two options, it will always bring up this window, so copy to, and you can either copy it somewhere else on your internal storage or to, for instance, an SD card, so completely different storage location, which is what I'm going to select. And from here, as you can see, there is not very many folders, so we have only Android and this one, which is normally not even visible. So I could either drop it right here by tapping copy here, and this would drop it straight to the SD card. I could create a new folder, name it whatever I want, and drop it into that folder, or navigate to one of those. But honestly, I don't really feel like bothering with anything, so I'm gonna select copy here and allow. And as you can see, two folders copied. So now if we go back to the SD card, we should see them right here. So there is one, and then I believe this was the other one. And that is basically how you could copy any kind of file folder from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.